Hello, you wonderful Year 5s. It's Mr. Holgate. I just want to take you through a short video going over learning by questions, which is something we're going to implement this week, and hopefully you'll enjoy using it. It's something that you use in Year 6 in lessons, so we wanted to introduce you to it in the summer term of Year 5, so you can see what it is. Hopefully you like it, and it's a good way of going over many different topics. We're going to focus on literacy and maths, so you're going to have 2 maths and 2 literacy over the week. We're going to set new questions every day on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So Monday, you'll have your blog as normal, and those activities will go throughout the week. But every day from Tuesday to Friday, there'll be a new set of questions, a new code. So you just need to go on the Fairlands blog. The code will be there, and I'll show you in a minute how to put that in and answer the questions. So every day, there'll be new questions set for you. To get on the website, you can either Google Learning by Questions, or you can see the website there, www.lbq.org. You'll get to this page here. So there's 2 different ways of actually getting onto the questions. You can click here where it says I've been sent a code by my child's teacher, or if you go to log on and then connect as pupil. The code will be on, as I said, the Year 5 blog. Each day will be the new code. You have to use it that day, or it does expire late evening, and you won't be able to go back on those questions that we set for that day. So for this one here, I've just done some test questions. It's a 3-digit code, put that in. It then asks you for your name. So if you could put your full name in, please. We know who is answering the questions. And you can see here, it's got 3 different levels that we've set for you. Ignore this bit here where it says you've joined the lesson of Miss Hodgson. It's just because we currently have borrowed the Year 6 logins, so don't worry about that. So level 1 will be apprentice, level 2 practitioner, and level 3 experts. To show you what the questions look like, let's just try one of them. So let's click on level 2. You can see the question numbers are up here. We've got the actual question it's asking you. Multiple choice. Sometimes it'll be multiple choice. Sometimes it'll be writing an answer. Sometimes it might be ordering. It really depends on the question it's asking. There'll be a prompt here, so I always have a look at this picture because that will help you. And if you want to do some scribbling yourself, you can see there's a work pad, and here you can do any workings out that you need to. If that doesn't help you, you can always use a piece of paper whilst you're doing the questions, obviously, to do any working out that you need to do. Have a think of the right answer. When you've done it, click on it and then click on answer. If it's correct, it will tell you it's correct, so you can move on. If you do get it wrong, you'll see it will tell you it's incorrect, and it will give you a hint, and that hint's great. Please do read the hint, have a think about it, and if you can, have a retry and see if you can get it right again. Obviously, this case is only 2 answers, so it's pretty obvious which one's correct, but sometimes it will show that you might have got it wrong originally, but you've thought about it, you've reflected, and you've got it correct, which is obviously what we do in lessons. That's brilliant. So click on retry, and it will tell you correct. You can see it goes yellow, and I'll show you later. As a teacher, we can see all the different answers you've done. We can see if you got it right the first time. We can also see if you have got it wrong, have you tried to recorrect it and get it right, and how many times did it take you to get it right. So you move on. Now, if you find you're getting it quite easy, which is obviously great, you're getting lots of green, you're getting lots of it right, it will skip you ahead. The way the maths works in particular, it will start off with your understanding, the questions, then your fluency, your reasoning, and your problem solving. So getting very much like in lessons, once you've got that understanding, you're fluent, there's no need for you to keep doing hundreds of questions on them. It'll move you on to the reasoning questions and then the problem solving ones. In case you're interested what teachers can see, we'll be able to see the 3 tasks that we've set, so 3 different levels, and also the code that we set with those. And this is just, I went on earlier and did some answers, and we can see where I got ones correct straight away is the green. The red is where I got it wrong and then moved on, and the yellow is, as I explained, where I got it wrong originally, but I persevered and then found the right answer. I stopped at 15, but I would keep going, doing as many as I can, and you can see the progression, the understanding, that fluency, the reasoning, and those harder ones at the end, the problem-solving ones. And as a teacher, we'll be able to see all of Year 5, how everyone's getting on, and it can help us look at who we need to help and where the misconceptions are. We really hope you enjoy the Learning by Questions, that you find it useful. If there's any issues at all, if you email your teacher at Purple Mash, and they'll be able to help you with anything that you're stuck on. Good luck, guys. Keep safe. And again, let us know any issues. Thank you.